Hey, what's going on, folks? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. Got a really cool product I want you to check out. This company here, really big box. This is a company that I partner with on this channel, Aosu. They make some fantastic security camera.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
And today we'll be reviewing this 4 security camera with solar mount. It's called a Solar Cam D1 outdoor kit. And this is if you have a home and you're looking to add security to your home, this is the ultimate package to get. Does come with a home base, which means no monthly contract, folks. You're able to store all that footage on the home base. We have 4 solar panels, so no need to take down your cameras. If you have the battery powered outdoor cameras, no need to take that down. It's all powered by the solar panel. And we have multiple cameras here. Each one of these cameras have motion detection, 2-way audio, all the standard feature, but there's one thing that's unique about this camera here. It has the ability to track motion, able to track any motion within your yard or wherever this camera is pointing towards. This is very difficult to find. So Aosu sent me this here to review on the channel. If you are starting to set up your home for the security, this is the way to go, folks. No need to worry about wiring and cabling and all that stuff, monthly contract, subscription, all that stuff. This is all included in this one kit. So let's start off with this here. Check out some of the features. You do get these cool Aosu's 24/7 sticker that warns those I guess intruders, burglars, whatever you want to call them, away from your home, knowing that your home is monitored 24/7. And then you have inside the box here, you have the manual that tells you everything you need to know about this camera. Like the feature of the spotlight, that means that whenever motion is detected in the night, you're able to activate the spotlight, and that way you can shine brightness onto whatever that motion is. First off, gotta say the home base is really small. It's actually standard home base from Aosu. All the home bases are like this size. You want to make sure you get this hardwired into your network. So that's your network port. It has a USB-C port as well as a DC power port and a sync button. Very lightweight, love the color. You can just integrate this into your home very easily. So not too distracting. And next up, we have the 4 cameras, and these cameras have the solar panel already mounted on the camera. I mean, how cool is that, folks? We have the solar panel there already, so really you don't have to do much. All that you have to do is mount this camera wherever you want to mount it to. So other things to note is we have the speakers there, speaker vent. Logo on the camera is there. IPR motion sensor right there. Infrared spotlight is there. We have 4 infrared spotlight right there. And then we have a sync button on the top. Right, that's right there for if you have to reset the camera. I've never really had any bad experience with this here. And then we have these antennas. Really awesome design. It looks like a bunny, I would say. But yeah, very cool. Very impressed actually that this solar panel comes included. And this is what I was talking about. Probably not good to practice, but this is what I was talking about with regards to the lens on this camera. It can pan to different angles to make sure it follows that motion, and it goes sideways and up and down. How cool is that, guys? How cool is that? If you need 4 of this here, this kit comes with all 4 included, and you can really get your home fully I guess secure. The cool stuff is also works with Google Home. So not only do you can ignore the Aosu's app, just use it on Google Home, which is more exciting because probably all your automations is on Google Home app. All right, so there you have it. Setup is a breeze. I just went ahead and set one of these camera out. I still need to decide where I'm gonna mount the other cameras, but setup here is a seamless process. I would only recommend one thing. The white, probably not the best option, especially it's outdoor. It will probably get dirty a lot. So that's one thing to caution you about. And you do want to make sure that where you're mounting it, it is pretty close to where your network is. I had some moments where I was getting weak signal where I was mounting that one camera. So double check, make sure you have a really good router that pushes really high frequency out so you can capture that on the outside. But installation app is super easy. I mean, it's so straightforward to add this camera to your app. There's a barcode there where you can scan and get that fully integrated in the Aosu's app. And then adding the entire account to Google Home is super easy. Google Home will pick up the camera automatically. My biggest impression is solar panel. The solar panel mounted directly on the camera is a game changer. Not a lot of companies provide this usually, and I hate this. I have this from other companies. You'll have the solar panel come separate from the camera, and then you have to connect the solar panel and climb with your ladder, mount the solar panel separate from the camera. But Aosu was able to give us a design where the solar panel is mounted directly on the camera. So big shout out there to Aosu for doing that. Probably a game changer. Hopefully more companies do this here. Like I said, make sure you check this company out. They're super affordable and high quality camera, durable camera with the efficiency of the solar panel. I mean, what else can you ask for in a security company? So make sure you check them out. If you need a discount, I have a link in the discount below. That will help you lower the price even more. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, share, leave a comment below, and we'll see you on the next video.